In this video, we are going to see how we can do a partial conversion from purchase order into a purchase invoice. As we can see, the very next transaction after the purchase order is receive cloth B from Star Textiles against order number 124. So in the recent transaction, we have entered the purchase order number 124. We have ordered 40,000 units. Against that, the next day, what we are receiving is 25,000 units. So this is a partial conversion, right? And this is for the one item. Let's say that we have 10 items. Out of that, we only have received 2 items the next day. So how would we deal with that scenario? In that case, in the purchasing module, we basically have 2 options. If the order is fully converted, we just open the purchase order, go to the last data record, and simply we copy this fully to AP invoice. But what this will do is, let's say we have 10 items that we have ordered and we are receiving all of them. If we click on AP invoice, all of them will be transferred to the purchase invoice. But that scenario is ideal where you are receiving the complete order. Let's say out of those 10 orders, we are only receiving the 2 items. So if you use copy to feature, we have to manually delete 8 items which are not being received now. So instead, for the partial conversion, we directly open the AP purchase invoice, select the supplier, which is Star Textiles. And if we go down, we have the copy from feature, copy from purchase orders. Whatever order you want to convert to purchase invoice, you just choose that, and it will allow you the option to draw all data. That means pick up all the data or customize. I'll customize, click next, and we can choose out of, let's say 10 items, we only want these 2, but here we only have this one item, which we are receiving only 25,000 units of. Rate is 150, and this makes the total to 3750000. Perfect. Click on finish. And you will also notice that as soon as the items is selected, it will automatically show the VAT code or tax code as exempt using the tax code determination options. We have defined those rules. If you can't see the item description, we just right click on any headings, go to the form settings, click on the table format and just enable the item description, click OK. And there we have it. It's converted to the purchase invoice. We just mentioned the current date for all of them. Purchase invoice number, we don't have this particularly in our project, so we'll consider this as 1. Hit enter, click yes. And at this stage, it will also affect the accounts. That means if we go to the last record, we can right click on it and we do have a journal entry option. Now the journal entry will be inventory debit, inventory raw materials debit, because we have purchased the items, and against that payable is credit. Star Textiles is credit and inventory raw materials are debit. Perfect entry. And also, since the purchase order is partially converted to invoice, we can also check the awesome feature of a relationship map. We right click on it and it will show you the complete purchase cycle and how it is related to other documents. Purchase order is partially converted to AP invoice. Here it is mentioned. So that's how you can do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.